My name is Chloe and I'm studying digital design and technology. When I saw this course offered animation and also website development, 3D modeling, as well as photo editing and video editing, they were things that I had not experienced so much but have touched upon and did kind of want to experience at least once. When I came here, I saw a lot of computers, not only Macs, but real high-end PCs, as well as the VRs. I definitely enjoy the fact that I could do a lot of things to my imagination instead of following a guide or a rule. I want to be an animator in a studio one day. I also want to go to Sheridan, this college in Canada. I think that having a lot of experience before you go into the industry is very important, especially in my field that I want to go into. As much as it's nice to just be set on one thing, I think really developing your skills on several different things that kind of pertain to that subject is much more important. I definitely didn't regret choosing this course.